Alright, so in this video we'll be looking at how to create Google Forms. But before we start, someone may ask what's Google Forms. Anyway, Google Forms is a free online tool that allows users to create and share forms, surveys and quizzes to collect information from others. So without much ado, let's get started on how to create Google Forms. Open your Google Chrome, click here, scroll down to the buttons where we have forms over here. You can see it has opened a new form for you to actually edit. As you can see, we have the title to text. So if you want to insert the title to text, let's say I want to insert a title of a cryptocurrency masterclass or a crypto mastery. Insert your description over here. Insert your question you want to ask. Let's say the forms is for your student, then you start adding the questions one by one. If you want to make the question to be compulsory, just click the required mark here. Now once you are done with this and want to ask more questions, click on this cross icon over here. So if you want your answers to be short or in the form of paragraph, just click here. Let's say I want to ask a question that actually require options. For example, let me say multiple choice questions. You can see options over here. Edit it and provide your answers for it, and once you are done and want it to be compulsory, just click on the required mark over here. If you are done creating your forms, click on send. Now once you are sending it, you can as well type in the email account of those who you want to send it to, or you can simply click on the link over here. So you can copy the link and share it to those you want to. Now if you want to see the responses after you share it to your people, click on responses, here. So this is the process or the steps involved to create a Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.